All right, I know this is a grocery haul, but thought Billy would show you here. He's got some just eggs on here, and what we do, they're just out of the refrigerator, putting them on the smoker, and we're going to make deviled eggs out of them. And he's got some Joel on there, so he's the Joel eater. I don't like all that fat on there.
I love it.
When I eat bacon, I pick the fat off for him to eat. So now we'll get back to our haul. All right, now we're back to the haul. We're doing a Kroger haul. And the total was $64 for this.
A little bit of stuff.
So we'll start off with every week Billy has to get blackberries. Sometimes we get like 5 containers when they're really on sale for $1.88. But those were $3.29, I think. Strawberries.
I like to eat one of those blackberries every day.
He does. Strawberries, this big container here, which is 2 pound.
32 ounces.
2 pound. For $4.49, they have them on sale this week. And I can smell them. They smell good. But we can get real strawberries right now, but they're $7.50 a quart. They're so good, but $7.50 a quart. And we got 2 pounds for $4.49. So we're going to try those. And Driscoll's, we love Driscoll's brand anyway. So that's what those are. So there is that. Let's see what else is in our goodie bag. Strawberry topping. Everything's strawberry. Because I got a recipe I want to do with strawberry on it. Salsa. I got some medium salsa because I want to do scrambled eggs and cheese and onions and salsa. Yum.
I like to just put salsa on my scrambled eggs.
Mm-hmm. Put some raw onions on that. Here's his cherries. Look at these. $10.48 for this little bag of cherries.
I think I need to plant a cherry tree.
Yeah, I think so. They're $5.99 a pound on sale.
Yeah.
He slipped these in. I didn't even see those. He got some bananas. He's the fruity guy.
Hey, careful how you say that.
Oh, and whatever this is, Atlantic salmon. He said it was on sale for $4.99.
Yeah, it was regular $7.49.
And I love some boneless pork chops and bone-in pork chops. I love pork. And they had these reduced to $2.86. Bam. And he is got the smoker going, as you saw. These are going on there too.
Yep.
When we get done with this video. What I'm having for lunch.
I'm having bacon and eggs.
Joel and eggs.
Joel, baby.
I got
the best.
some broccoli.
Yummy.
Because I'm going to make broccoli cauliflower salad, which I love with
Oh yeah, that's so good.
Mayonnaise and sour cream and bacon bits.
Walnuts.
And a hard-boiled egg, which we're going to use one of those off the grill.
Maybe.
Uh-huh. And a green pepper, which those are 99 cents now. I'm ready for our Amish farm to open up. Our Amish produce stand. Because when they're open, you used to get 3 of those for 99 cents. I don't know what they'll be this year, but we'll see.
I like to take that broccoli just raw and put it in, dip it in blue cheese dressing and eat it.
Yeah, I like broccoli raw. I don't like it cooked very well.
I like it either way. Broccoli cheese soup, I love that.
Heavy whipping cream for our coffee. And whipping cream for strawberries and blackberries. Yum. Or whatever Mr. Smith decides to use it on.
Hot chocolate, you never know.
Green leaf lettuce. Because I like that stuff too. Have like a hamburger or something, put it in there. What we got in this goodie bag? Ooh, yeah, I forgot. I got another. These are baby back ribs, just a half a pack, $3.40 on clearance. Those are going on the smoker too.
Yep.
So I got.
I'm gonna put some grippos on those.
And I got some cauliflower for my broccoli cauliflower salad. And we got eggs. I got a dozen eggs, and they are $3.99. But there was somebody local I saw advertised to get 18 farm fresh eggs for $4. I need to find that ad again because I was trying to find it before we went there. I was like, man, I'd like to get 2 18s right now. But I'm going to look that up and see if I can find it because I just gave $3.99 for 12.
Yeah, but they were $8.49.
For 18.
No, for 12 when we first started it. And then it switched. But
yeah, they're coming down.
Yeah, the price is coming down.
They are coming down.
Now, if we just get the gas prices back down.
And I laid out a freezer hamburger here, pound of hamburger. I'm going to fry those on top of some onions. And that's good. And then we just eat on those during the week.
Smashed onion burgers.
Put some Ben's mustard on it. We have a local guy that makes Ben's mustard. If you guys can find that, give that a try. Because I know they ship it and they put it in other stores. Let me show you what it looks like.
And we're eating bunless hamburgers.
Well, we are. That's why I got the lettuce too on there. Let's see if I can find our Ben's right here.
And sometimes we like to put them on a tortilla.
Yep. Here's what it looks like. Ben's sweet and hot mustard.
Oh, that's so good.
So good, guys. $4.99 for this big container. It's a 16-ounce container. And some places it's like $6.99. So, and he makes other stuff too. It says Ohio Proud on it. This is from our local guy.
And I've seen that in Myrtle Beach. I've seen it in Florida.
Yeah, we've seen it different places. That's why I said you could probably
Tennessee.
find that elsewhere.
Yeah.
Because it ships all over. And if you guys get a chance to try it,
you'll want to do it.
It's yummy. Andy has some...
you could probably order it online as well.
It has some jalapeno jelly. It's called jalapeno poppin' jelly, I think. We bought a jar of that. We haven't used it yet. Haven't even opened it and tasted it. But they say that one's pretty good.
That might be good in those jalapenos.
Maybe.
Bacon wrapped with that in it.
Maybe. With the cream. Just mix it with the cream cheese.
Yeah.
Hey.
There we go. Now you're talking.
Now I got to go back to Kroger and get some jalapenos. All right, guys.
And put them on a smoker.
Yeah. That's it for this haul. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like the hauls, let me know. And we can do one almost every day.
Seems like we go to the store every day.
We go to the store a lot. So, all right, guys. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, please. And help us grow. And love each other. Peace out.
We love y'all.